Good morning. So it is a beautiful sunny day here today. I think that we're supposed to get into the high 60s today, which is crazy because I think later in the week we're going to get down into the 30s. I don't know. This weather is just, it makes no sense to me. But I'm going to finish my coffee in my cute little, hold on, my cute little Valentine mug. And then your girl is going to tackle the hall bath and the hallway. And I'm excited to try out my new mop. I know several of y'all have like keep you posted because y'all have been, looking at those mops too. So I will definitely keep y'all posted. I'm excited to see, if mopping this floor with a mop and some of y'all's formulas will actually work for me. So I'm excited about that. So, yeah, I'm just gonna, I have a shower curtain that I took down out of my master bath that I'm actually thinking about putting up in the front bath. I'm gonna try it out and see if I like it, just for something different. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna my plan is to clean today. My plan is to clean tomorrow, but we know how plans are. They can change. And then Thursday, I have to take Buster to the vet for his annual visit and some of his vaccinations and stuff. So Thursday is just gonna kind of be one of those days because it's like late in the morning, and so it kind of screws up, getting up and just getting right to cleaning, but that's okay. And then Friday, James will be off, and I think we've got some plans, some things we've got to go take care of. So yeah, I'm just gonna do what I can and feel like around the house today. I'm dreading it. If I'm honest with you, I don't really feel like doing it today, but I know once I start, it'll change. You know how it is? It's just like getting started. And that's my biggest thing, is just getting started. So anyway, I'm going to finish my coffee and we'll get started. So this is the current shower curtain. And I'm going to take it down for a little while. And I'm going to put up another one that I had that I was using in the master bedroom that I just put up for a little while. So I'm gonna swap them out when I get through cleaning, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. So let me this is the before, and then I'll show you. Okay, it's going down. It's going down. I'm filling this bucket up. This is hot water. I put a little bit of Tide in there and Dawn dishwashing liquid. We're gonna see how this works. This is a suggestion. So I'm gonna try it in the hall, in the bathroom. I'll let you know. I took everything out of the hall. I've wiped down all the baseboards, the doors, above the doors. As you can see, I haven't dusted the furniture yet. Look at that. But I'll do all that when I move it back in. I have cleaned this from top to bottom. I even got in that tub and shower, which never gets used, but it gets dusty. This is the other shower curtain. I love it. And I've wiped down all the baseboards. I've scrubbed the toilet, the cabinets, the counters. I've dusted everything, the lights, everything, y'all. Walls, ceiling, you name it. So now I did dust this piece because I can't move it. But now it's about to go down. Whew.
Wanna be free of this heart. Yeah, wanna feel your arms around me.
All right, y'all, just pardon my appearance. Okay, first impressions of the Ocedar mop. Very lightweight, very lightweight. I know that was a question that some of y'all had. The mop, even, when you put it in the water and you spin it all out, I'm telling you, it is so lightweight. I can't believe how lightweight it is. Okay. The only thing you may have trouble with is the bucket. I didn't get the bucket that has wheels, but I think they make one with wheels. So you may want to consider getting one with wheels. Mine does not have wheels, but it's not too heavy for me to move. But just throwing that out there. I may have to go back over my floors with just plain hot water because I may have mixed my stuff. I may have put too much product in my bucket. I don't know. I'm going to have to let it see when it dries. But I may have to go back over the hall and the bathroom with hot water. This is my first time using it, so trial and error. So we'll see. It feels so good having that part cleaned. I decided I'm not going to really do anything in the guest room and the office just yet because I'm going to be painting in there. And when I do that, then I'm going to have to just kind of clean everything anyway. So those rooms I'm going to kind of leave. I do need to clean the ceiling fans. I am going to do that. But as far as everything else, I'm just not going to do anything in there because I'll do all that once I do the painting and decorating and making those over. So I'm not going to worry about those two. So I focused on the bathroom. It feels so good to get it good and clean. It wasn't really bad. I was kind of surprised the baseboards were bad. I mean, they were bad. But I clean the bathroom regularly anyway, so it wasn't that bad. And the shower was really dusty because nobody uses it, so I don't really get in there and clean it. So I need to make a conscious effort to start wiping it off. But I think I still may go in there and take the globes actually off of the light fixtures and wash them. I'm probably going to do that because they're clean, but I'm not happy with, I want them cleaner. You know what I'm saying? So I'm probably going to do that. But that's done. The baseboards in the hall are done. All the doors have been wiped down above them, the casings and everything. So yeah, so when I start to put the furniture back in there, I'm going to dust all of that, clean all that, and basically that part will be done. And it feels so good. It's a beautiful day here. I mean, I got the windows open, which makes it feel like spring. And so I'm going to, I think while the floor dries, I'm going to make me some breakfast real quick and keep y'all posted on the floors. So we'll see. Okay, this is the floors mopped, furniture dusted, everything kind of put back in its place. I did go back over the floors with just plain hot water. And I think I can see a difference, y'all. I don't know for sure. I don't know if it's wishful thinking or what. But I dusted this and kind of like, I moved it over because I used to have that chair there, but I've got it in the living room right now. So I kind of moved this over to center it on that wall. And so I moved the lamp over this side and just kind of took away some decor pieces on there and just simplified it. And I think it looks better like that. That's what's above it. I'm going to look for me some kind of spring print to put in that frame because I really like that there. I like the shape of it. And so I'm going to find me some kind of spring print to put there. And I like that. And then this is an old dictionary that belonged to my granny. She used for years. So I just put my old phone on there. And this is a arrangement. I dusted all of that. And I dusted the clock. And then we step in here. All this is put back. I really love the shower curtain in here. I may get my steamer a hold of it to kind of get some of the wrinkles out. But everything is clean. And I love it. Oh, I love it. It feels so good. Okay, and now this part. So now I'm going to clean my kitchen and mop it and mop my living room. And then I'm going to get into my bedroom and bathroom and just kind of clean it up and mop it. I'm not deep cleaning those rooms today. I'm just going to give them a regular clean. But it feels so good. I did clean the ceiling fans in both of these rooms. So that's done. I vacuumed and all that's nice and tidy. Y'all, it has been so nice having that closet in there decluttered with all my home decor pieces, because I am able to go right to it, pick out what I need, put up, and I am loving having that like all neat where I know where everything is at. So happy I did that. I highly, highly, highly recommend that you declutter before you try to clean, because I'm finding that has helped me so much. So I do need to get in my laundry room and wipe all those shelves and stuff off. I don't know that I'll do that today. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish cleaning the kitchen, the living room, and my room and bathroom. And then I'm gonna call it a day with the cleaning. But I love cleaning. It's really not a chore to me. I really love to clean. I love a clean house. And so cleaning to me is just, I just love it. So, oh, I see my little Buster coming in here. Let me show you. Coming to inspect my work. You gonna come and check everything out, make sure it's nice and clean, just like you want it. You approve? Do you approve? You like that? That works for you? Okay. Thank you so much. Can I start in the other rooms now? Okay. Thank you.
I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow. Yeah. Should I
So I had to put my robe on. It got so cloudy, and the wind just got so cold, so I had to put the windows down. I put my robe on to warm me up for just a minute, but I got all my cleaning done that I was going to get done today, and I did a little bit of some things up above my cabinets I was going to show y'all over here by the dining table, and the Ocedar mop, my thoughts on it. I love it. I forgot how hard it was to mop though. I'm used to that steamer, but y'all, I could see, you know, the steamer won't get all the way up to like to the wall, and I could literally see a line of demarcation where the steamer stopped and it didn't get some of the tile, and there's a definite line. So I'm wondering if the pads that you put on your steamer to mop with, I had been cleaning them, and I'm wondering if there was some buildup on that, and that has caused the buildup, you know, from the steam going through that, if that's caused the issue with my my eyes itching, with my floors or not. But I love the Ocedar mop. Man, that water was dirty when I poured it out. But I got all the floors mopped. I didn't mop the 2 bedrooms back there in the back, but I did mop the hall, both bathrooms, our bedroom, kitchen, and living room. And I love it. The mop is not heavy at all. So y'all are asking about that. I did mix my solution up too much, so I poured it out, and then what was left in my mop, I think was plenty. We'll see. I think I can tell a difference in my floors. Like I said, I don't know if that's just wishful thinking or if I can really tell, but I think I can. I'll keep y'all updated on that. I used a little bit of the Tide granulated washing powder and a little, and the Dawn dishwashing liquid and hot water. That's what I used, but like I said, I used too much. But so I'm gonna show y'all the cabinets, and that's it. That's all I got. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna cook for dinner tonight, but I'm telling you, the wind is blowing so hard out there. It is like March, and it's only February 1st. It's not March yet, but it blew the lid up off our little thing we have in the backyard where we keep some of the garden and stuff. It was blowing all the trash cans along the road. Today was trash day, so I went ahead and went out there and got ours and put it up. But yeah, there's trash cans are blowing. I mean, it's crazy windy here. And now it's getting really cloudy. I think we're supposed to start getting some rain the next few days. But I'm so happy to have gotten all of this done. So let me show you the cabinets. So first thing, I just put a fern in that. And then this is the same. I took one of the little dough bowls that I moved to the other side and I put my fan up there. And then here's where I put the other wooden bowl. And that's what I've done there. So I really like that because I had too much cluttered up over here. So I put the basket up. I'm gonna try to find some kind of plant to set in the top of my churn. And I just have that little iron there because I do use that to prop the door open. But to me, that just looks better. It was just too much stuff. And so I did that. And this is the floors all mopped. And they actually have like a little bit of a sheen now, which they've not had. So I'm real happy with that. And another thing I like about the mop, I can actually get under the couch and under the beds and all that. Oh, I really like that. And then I was able to get up under the cabinet in the hallway that I couldn't move. But those are the floors. I think, you know, I think I'm going to have to mop it a few more times to really get everything off of it. But it's so much better than it was. So this is the couch with the new pillows that hold on, let me fix them. Okay. With the new pillows that I thrifted yesterday, the sack home pillows, I have the 2 cheetah ones there, and then I have this one here, but Buster's laying down. But y'all, I looked them up online, and those pillows are like $68. And they're like $22 used on eBay. And I got them for 99 cents. So, but I really like that. And of course, I'm loving my little churn over there. Not churn, crock. So that's how it's looking. Got me a candle going with my beautiful tulips. Something looks so real. Anyway, that's just how the floor's looking. Can really tell a difference through here and over here. So we shall see. So I went out there and sanded this down, and I think I'm just gonna paint it with some acrylic paint. I think I have some navy over there that'll work. So I'm probably just gonna go ahead and paint this and have that done for my daughter. So get that out of the way. But isn't that crazy what that paint did? Crazy, but yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and paint that. So I found some of this navy blue from Folk Art, and I'm just gonna squirt it on here and paint it and give it to her, and that'll be done. I'm gonna have to put like a little hanger on the back so she can hang it up, but she only paid 99 cents for this, which is cool. So I'm gonna get that painted up for her. Okay, y'all, this is gonna do it for me today. As you can tell, I've already went and got my shower and washed my hair, and I'm in my cozy robe and my pajamas. I gotta chill this afternoon, and I just can't seem to shake it. So I'm just gonna cuddle up with James and Buster and have a great evening. I hope you got some inspiration and some motivation from today's video. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.